Hello everyone, let us discuss the solution of mathematics paper. We are at the last part of the paper, that is part E. In this, the first question is integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Let us consider integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. In this, let us consider a minus x is equal to t, which implies x is equal to a minus t. If we differentiate it, then dx is equal to minus dt. X is equal to 0, then t will be equal to a, and if x is equal to a, that implies t is equal to 0. Therefore, integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx can be written as integral a to 0 f of t into minus dt, which is nothing but integral 0 to a f of t into dt. Because if we take the minus outside, a to 0 can be written as 0 to a. By using the zeroth property, we can write it as f of x into dx. Variables can be changed. Therefore, this is the proof of the given theorem. Now we have to solve the problem. By using this property, let us consider the given problem as I, that is 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. By using the property, this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus x into dx. We know that tan of pi by 4 minus x is nothing but 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Therefore, that can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. If we take the LCM and simplify, then we get integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. This can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x into dx. This is also I. The given question was also considered as I. If we add those two equations, we get 2I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 into dx. Because log of 1 plus tan x, log of 1 plus tan x will get cancelled. If we integrate it, it will be equal to log 2 into x from 0 to pi by 4. If we substitute the value of I will be equal to pi by 8 into log 2. So, this is the solution of the question number 46. Next is LPP. So, the graph of the LPP is already we have, if we solve the equations, then we will get the graph like this. Then the corner points will be, and the value of z. The corner points are 60, 0, 120, 0, 60, 30 as well as 40, 20. For these corner points, the value of z are 300, 600, 600 and 400. Among these, the minimum value is 300 and the maximum value is 600. We are getting the maximum value at 2 points. Therefore, this graph has the minimum value of 300 at the point 60, 0 and it has maximum value 600 at the points 120, 0 as well as 60, 30. Next one, 4-mark questions which is depending on the determinant. we have to show that a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. First, let us find a square. A square is nothing but a into a. We know that to multiply the matrix, we have to multiply row into column. If we multiply these, we get 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. Now consider the equation a square minus 5a plus 7i, which will be equal to 8, 5, minus 5, 3 plus, minus 5a means 15, 5, minus 5, 10 plus 7i will be 7007. If we add all these, we get 0, 0, 0, 0, which is nothing but a 0 matrix. Therefore, it satisfies the given equation. Now we have to find A inverse. Before finding A inverse, let us find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. As A inverse exists, multiply the whole given equation by A inverse. Then we get A square into A inverse, which is A, minus 5A into A inverse, which is 5I, plus 7I into A inverse, which is 7 into A inverse, which is equal to 0. We want to find A inverse, so let us keep A inverse as it is. If we shift the other terms, we get 7 into A inverse is equal to 5i minus A. If we substitute the values, that is 5005 minus A is nothing but 3, 1, minus 1, 2. If we subtract the terms, then we get 2, minus 1, 1 and 3. This is the value of 7 into A inverse. So, if we want A inverse, then A inverse will be equal to 1 by 7 into 2 minus 1, 1 and 3. This is the required solution. There is another question for 4 marks, that is depending on continuity, we have to find the value of k. As it is given that as the function is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, we can write directly that limit x tends to pi by 2 of f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. That is limit x tends to pi by 2 k cos x divided by pi minus 2x, that is equal to f of pi by 2 value is 3. Now cos x can be written as sine of pi by 2 minus x. In the denominator, take 2 common. Then that can be written as pi by 2 minus x again. We have the limit x tends to pi by 2. Let us consider x minus pi by 2. X minus pi by 2 is equal to theta. As x tends to pi by 2, we get theta tends to 0. Therefore, by changing the limit and the terms, we get limit theta tends to 0 k into sin theta divided by 2 theta, which is equal to 3. We know that limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. Therefore, the value will be k by 2 equal to 3, which implies k equal to 6. This is the value of k. Last one, which is for visually challenged students, that is the alternative question for 7th one. They have given, there are two statements. The statement 1 is left hand derivative of mod x at x equal to 0 is minus 1, which is obviously true, and the derivative of mod x exists at x equal to 0, which is false because the derivative does not exist. So the answer is option A. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. This is all about the solution of the mathematics paper. Thank you.